Water is very important in life for everyone. We can't even imagine life without it. Humans, animals, plants all need water today. We will hear the story of a village where it rained very little, and a girl named Neetu, who changed not only her own life but also the lives of the people in her village. Neetu, a hardworking 15-year-old girl, lived in a village. Her deepest frustration was that no matter what she attempted, she always met with failure. This fear of inadequacy weighed heavily on her. Compounding this, the village's agriculture was constantly struggling due to a severe water shortage. Fields often lacked proper irrigation, leaving the crops dry and withered. One day, overwhelmed by her disappointment, Neetu went up a nearby hill. There, she witnessed a small fragile sapling tirelessly fighting its way out of a crack in a massive rock. She realized the plant's success was rooted in its unwavering consistency and its never-say-die attitude. Neetu channeled her new inspiration into her science exhibition project, determined to succeed this time. Project title: The Smart Rainwater Harvesting and Recycling System. Her detailed model demonstrated how every single drop of rainwater could be safely collected and then purified, using biological filtration to be reused for irrigating the fields. Neetu sometimes didn't have enough money to buy things for the project. Neetu showed that solutions lay in small, continuous, and persistent efforts, just like slow, steady growth of the sapling. Neetu refused to give up, and her relentless effort paid off. Her model won the first prize at the exhibition. It was a personal triumph that boosted her confidence immensely. Winning the award wasn't the end. Neetu presented her idea to the elders and farmers. Initially, the villagers were skeptical. However, Neetu's unshakable conviction and the model's simplicity eventually won them over. With the help of the village youth, Neetu scaled up the principles of her project, establishing a large-scale water harvesting structure. During the next monsoon season, the village saved significantly more water than ever before. This clean, stored water was successfully used to irrigate the fields during the dry spells. When the villagers saw their fields bursting with lush green crops that used to dry up from lack of water, they were profoundly inspired by Neetu. Neetu hadn't just won a science prize. She had taught the entire community that even the biggest problems could be solved through small, consistent, and resilient efforts. Neetu's story became an inspiration for every child in the village. The tiny sapling has now grown into a big tree. Moral: if we don't succeed in something, it doesn't mean that we are incapable of doing anything in this world. There will surely be something in which we can succeed through hard work. Moral: when difficulties come in life, they come to teach us something. We should face them bravely without fear and keep trying continuously. Success will surely come.